Hi guys, let me show you how I made this super delicious, beautiful looking rice. You can call it Chinese fried rice or you call it stir fry rice. Let's get right into this video. Of course, I started by slicing the things I'll be using in the rice, and I am slicing it slantly. I started with my hot dog and I go in with my peppers. As you can see, this is how I remove my bell pepper. It's so easy. Then I slice it thin line, straight thin line, just like this, not cubic method like your normal fried rice. No, you do it straight. It has to be like straight. I don't know how else I will explain that, but that is that about that. We'll also be using some shrimps, so I am putting my shrimps in a water to defrost. Just leave it there, let it defrost. For this recipe, we are using no other than basmati rice. For this recipe is either basmati or nothing. We're using basmati rice for this recipe, and I'm just going to wash it. As you can see, I'm just going to wash it thoroughly, wash it very well. Make sure it is well clean, well clean. Please make sure it is well clean. Wash it like 2-3 times, 4 maybe. Then you sieve it. You pour it in a basket, in a sieve like this. Leave it there for the water to drain and the rice to dry. Then we proceed to the main deal, the main. So you pour in some oil in your pan. Then you bring out that rice that you sieve, that is dry it already itself. You pour it in the oil. Meanwhile, please allow your oil to get hot a little, not too hot, just let it get hot. Then you pour in your rice and you keep stirring. You stir it. We are frying this rice. Yes, this process is called the frying process. So we are trying to fry the rice. Then you just stir it for some time, about 4 minutes. About 4 minutes, 3-4 minutes. You stir for about 3-4 minutes. Then we go in with our mixed stock. We go in with some water. As you can see, not too much, just little amount of water for this rice. We don't need too much water, okay? Then I go in with some seasoning cube, some salt, just the right amount for the amount of rice you're preparing, just the right amount, please. Then you stir it together. You allow everything get all incorporated. Yes, I mean let it all get combined. Then cover and allow it cook for some time on a low heat, because we are using just little amount of water and we need it to cook, not soak. We need it to cook and get done in the inside and outside. So you just put it on a low heat, then it's going to cook, it's going to steam. If you have a foil, you can put foil on the pot before covering it to allow it steam and allow it cook well. The shrimp finally defrost and I make sure I rinse it very well thoroughly. Then I add in some seasoning cubes, some salt, and I use my hand to mix everything together to allow it get combined or incorporated. I added in some oil, just little amount, in a fresh pot, in a new pot. Then I put my shrimps inside. Then I just stir it. I allow it fry on both sides. I allow it fry very well. When that is done, I added in my sliced hot dog. You remember the hot dog I was slicing right in the beginning of this video, so it's time to get in. I added in the hot dog, then I stir together, allow everything combine and get cooked. I'm going with my veggies as the carrots and the peppers, the red, green, yellow bell peppers. So all your bell peppers and your veggies can come in at this moment. Then you give everything a good stir, allow everything get all incorporated, give it a very good stir and just keep stirring like that. I added in some seasoning cube and I added in some salt to taste. Then I added in this oyster sauce. This oyster sauce is inevitable, you need to put it in. Then so I just added the right amount of that in and I gave it a good stir. I allow everything get all incorporated, give it a very good stir. it's already here, then this is the last step to take, which is your rice. I'm going in with my rice. The rice is already perfectly cooked. As you can see, you can tell yourself it is perfectly cooked and it tastes so well. Then I added in the rice in it, and I'm just going to be giving it a very good stir. I'm going to stir everything together till everything get all incorporated. I'll keep stirring and allow it fry a little bit. Yeah, we just allow it fry a little with a little oil in the pan. Just keep stirring and just keep stirring for a few minutes. About 3 minutes is fine. Yeah, about 3 minutes stirring is fine. Then you just take it off, and voila, this is what you have. This is what you have. This rice is so delicious. Everybody kept wanting more. They couldn't get enough of it. It was not enough. I was really proud of myself. I was really glad I made that recipe, and which is why I am out here sharing it for you guys. You can also go make this recipe. So if you make this recipe, or if you are going to try this recipe, do let me know in the comments section. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Do well to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, also share to somebody you want to try this recipe with, or somebody you want to cook it for. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.